I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Nissan Sentra key. First, it's important to understand that most Nissan Sentra key fobs don't actually charge in the traditional sense. Instead, they use a small, replaceable battery. We'll guide you through identifying your key fob type and the specific battery it requires. Typically, this will be a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Let's get started on keeping your key fob fully functional. Now that you know your key fob uses a battery, the next step is to carefully open it. Look for a small release button or a slot on the side of your key fob. Once located, you can use a small, flathead screwdriver or even a coin to gently pry the two halves of the casing apart. Remember to apply steady, gentle pressure to avoid scratching the plastic or damaging any of the delicate internal components. Take your time with this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round battery. Before you remove it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for proper reinstallation. Gently pry out the old battery, and then take your new CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures correct power flow. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob and test its functionality. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Once reassembled, walk over to your Nissan Sentra and test all the key fob's functions. Make sure the lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release buttons all respond correctly. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.